They're gonna be all over your hat, right? They love hats.
Okay.
Shiny color, bright stuff, they like. But no worries though, they're fun. Huh?
Thank you.
That's on.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. You guys been in the Cayman before?
No.
First time?
Yep, first
Oh, you
time.
liking it?
Love
Very
it.
nice.
Paradise.
Oh yeah? How's the weather? You like the weather?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh.
Watch your step, man.
Come on then. The bird lady.
Bird with fur.
Two on your hat.
Oh my goodness. They're so pretty. Hi, babies.
See, and there was you saying that I was getting all the birds. One's trying to get your glasses.
Oh, that's okay. I'll get them in a minute. Wait, is there one right here?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Woo.
So we'll just go.
You love those kind of hats.
Oh, I'm glad I wore it.
Yeah.
Ah, I feel one come up. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I've got some. I've got some.
Be nice. Be nice.
You wanna feed them?
What are you doing to my hat, rascal? Yeah, just having to turn the camera back on.
What's that?
No, I was talking to
Oh,
maybe not. It is one kind of crazy. Let me go this one today.
No, she wants to go here.
You wanna go there?
this one's trying to get my bracelet.
Yeah.
No, these are
Oh.
some nice ones over there. You can try
Getting
the nice
sassy
ones.
with each
Yeah,
other.
let me show you. In the meantime, let me show you.
Ah. Oh,
Hello. Hello.
is there one right on top of my face?
Yes. Stop trying to get the camera. Ow. Come on.
The one's up there trying to get your sunglasses. Oh, look at this one on my neck. Ah! Don't bite.
Just brush him off slightly, gently.
Be gentle. Oh, yes, you get him. Bite him.
Leave my belt.
But when he was trying to get my necklace,
Still
but
one on the back of your head.
he bit my neck. He was just trying to get the necklace, though.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
What is he doing? Oh. I think you've ate it all now. It's just little, there's nothing left. Okay, let's let someone else have a turn.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Look at this one. Here. Right here.
I've got three on your hat.
Oh, that one was trying to get my bracelet.
Come on.
Yeah, you got three on your hat now. Ah. Okay.
Just watch where you're strapping because there's two on the floor.
All right. Come on.